KINGSWAY Academy is an international boarding high school. Located in the St. Thomas Building on the campus of King's University College at Western University. The St. Thomas Building has nearly 100 years of history. Students who graduate from KINGSWAY Academy gain the Ontario Secondary School Diploma. Qualified graduates are directly admitted to King's College, Western University, or other Canadian and American universities. KINGSWAY Academy is located in London, southwestern Ontario, Canada, 180 kilometers away from Toronto. The City of London is a forest city and also a university city. Western University was ranked 170th worldwide in 2022. Those who are admitted into Western include top Canadian students. The independent thinking, cooperative innovation, and enthusiastic school spirit at Western University has been passed down from generation to generation over the last century. KINGSWAY Academy is located on the east side of its largest affiliated college, King's University College. North side of KINGSWAY Academy is the old bell tower of St. Peter's Theological Seminary. On the west, there is a 100,000 square meter lawn that connects KINGSWAY Academy with the Student Center and the library of King's College. KINGSWAY Academy is surrounded by 3 famous research centers. Students study in a spacious and historical campus atmosphere that creates an ideal environment for academic and extracurricular growth. Every year, more than 100 graduates who are admitted to King's University College. King's College has been tracking student performance from 2019 to 2021. Our school students have performed well.
Hello, my name is David Malloy and I'm the president of King's University College at Western University. King's and ICEP Toronto have been working together for the past 3 years. Our partnership has been very successful and we're fortunate to work with Mr. Kevin Yuan and his talented team. The graduates of ICEP Toronto who come to King's for their degree studies are very successful in their academic work, and their strong grades reflect highly on the preparation that the students receive at ICEP Toronto. The program in English for academic purposes prepares the students for success at university. We look forward to welcoming many ICEP Toronto students at King's University College at Western University in the future.
The St. Thomas Building, where the KINGSWAY Academy is located, has a history of nearly 100 years. Named after the famous St. Thomas Aquinas to commemorate his great philosophical thoughts. The building was completely renovated during the pandemic. The 6 murals were hand-painted by students of the art department at Western University, adding modern elements into a historical building. KINGSWAY Academy has its own residence with separate floors for male and female students. It is maintained daily by King's College.
Hi, I'm Cody, and I'm an employee of King's University, and I work here at KINGSWAY providing the cleaning. So I'm the housekeeper here. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, find me in my housekeeping room or somewhere around the building, and I'll make sure to take care of you.
The security of the dormitory is provided by Western University Campus Police. Police vehicles patrol and check 6 times every 24 hours to ensure residents' safety. The residence uses the fast and stable internet of Western, which can be used throughout the campus. A meal plan is included in the KINGSWAY Residence Plan. You can also choose the meal plan of King's College or dine directly in the university cafeteria. 70% of teachers at KINGSWAY Academy and the affiliated International EAP Center hold postgraduate degrees. Our teachers utilize innovative teaching methods in their classes to improve the English reading speed of international students. It was demonstrated as a teaching example at the TESL Academic Annual Conference in Ontario in 2017 and 2019. Victory and Transformation is a teaching method developed by our teachers to improve the presentation skills of international students. Dr. Tatiana and Dr. Emma presented this technique at the 2019 TESL Ontario Annual Conference. In addition, there are several research articles on teaching published by our teachers of our school in various publications. These include Ideas from Other Fields, Teaching Grammar to Learners at Varying CLBs, Using Online Discussion Forums in ESL Classes. Being accepted by a famous university is the ambition of every high school international student. In addition to good academic performance, a broad range of knowledge, experience, and leadership skills are also important for students entering a prestigious university. Kingsway Academy established a plan for extracurricular activities. As a benefit of being on the university campus, students of Kingsway Academy are able to attend clubs and activities at King's College as well as Western University. For students who live in the residence, Kingsway arranges a homework club from Monday to Thursday. There is also an English social group with senior students from Western once a week. Students are able to improve their English communication skills to integrate into their future university life. We help encourage students to mingle and interact with the local community and embrace Canadian culture. These activities include volunteering for the Lobster Feast, visiting CTV television network, and visiting Royal Bank of Canada. Based on those field trips and case studies, students will present their research materials, cultivate critical thinking skills, and problem-solving skills. All case studies are discussed in groups. Kingsway Academy has a historical and elegant campus with a strong academic culture. It boasts a strong faculty that delivers a targeted international student integration plan and hosts a variety of academic and non-academic activities. This broad scope of offerings will help students achieve admission to well-known universities, develop unique skills, and